Hey guys, welcome to Plant Therapy. Guess what this is? I like these stickers. So I have plant mail from Plant Proper. I think it's Plant Proper. Yeah, just Plant Proper. I bought this on PalmStreet app. They also have an Etsy. I've seen them on Etsy, so you can find them there. And yeah, I like the stickers. Look at this. Soil may shift during shipping. Your name. I like that. And it tells you which way is up. It's a plant in here. Yeah, so let's open this up together and see what it's looking like. I also have another haul to share with you from another Etsy seller. I'll get those plants in a bit. I have them sitting alone. I opened them up yesterday, got them yesterday, and I've ordered from that seller before too. So, okay, well, it clearly says it's been a day. As you can see from all the mess on the table, I've been busy trying to propagate some new plants. You know, as all of us are busy, I think, this time of the year. Trying to repot and do what we can before the end of the growing season. Okay. Anyway. Here we go. This is a plant that I had, but I saw they had a nice size one. I've been propagating mine for a while now. So it's time to get another one. Nicely grown, nicely packaged here. I like that. We'll be keeping these. I try to reuse this stuff, as you know. Some of you may know this. I started selling on PalmStreet app. My link will be in the description and the comments if you're interested in buying seedlings. Newly propagated plants, typically. Sometimes I may sell a plant that I've had for a while, you know. I've shared a few with you guys, and yeah, so this was nicely packaged. I always get concerned about wrapping plants that are fully grown like this one. My skills aren't that sharp yet. Look at this. Wow. Now, this is, okay, let me tell you what it is. Croniana silver. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Just as pretty as it looked on the app. And I thought, this is gorgeous. And the price was decent. And one thing about PalmStreet, guys, when you follow somebody, you get a coupon, 15% off, up to $5, I believe, is the limit. And I took advantage of their 20% off that they had going for Labor Day weekend. So if you're ever interested in purchasing, and you know, just consider that during the holidays, and, you know, they do have special coupons they offer, the site offers, and then usually each individual seller will have some coupons as well. But if you go on, you follow me, you get that 15% off if you want to purchase anything, or if you follow anyone else. It's not just about me. You know, I always like to support other sellers. I'm still a buyer as well. So I've bought from several people on PalmStreet app, and it's been good. You know, everything's been working, trying to get familiar with the app as a seller now. So it's been very interesting. And, you know, every day you learn something new. But this is gorgeous, isn't it? I can't get enough of Croniana. So, yep, there's plenty that I can share. Now, I have a Lacanosa I want to share with you. Let me show you these other two plants. Be right back. You know, I didn't even consider showing you this. This is nice. I like that they have everything with their name listed. Thank you card. Oh, look at this. Surprise promotion. Upgrade your plant experience with Plant Proper. Thank you for choosing plant purchase. We hope they are bringing joy to your home. So scan the QR code to find a surprise promotion for you hidden inside. All right. Use your one-time promo code on your next order. Cool. See, this is cool. I got to learn how to do that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And you can shop directly with Plant Proper. Duly noted. And yes, this is Anna, the person who sold this to me as I place all my business out there, the receipt. This is cool. Need care instructions? Visit plantproper.com and search for your plant. All care instructions are featured on the bottom of each plant's product page. I like that touch. Thank you. A breath of fresh air has arrived from our farm to your door. This plant was packaged with care by Anna. Okay, that's who packaged the plant. I don't know if it's the person in charge. Don't know that yet. Let's see. Issue with your order. And you contact them. That's cool. And be featured on our Instagram or weekly emails. Tag Plant Proper in your photo. Okay. And we will randomly pick new plant parents to feature every week. Pretty cool. I like that. Okay, guys. So that was from Plant Proper Co. Now I'm going to put the name of the Etsy seller because I'm going to mess up the name. I got a feeling. It's 2 nodes, 3 leaves, I believe. Or 3 leaves, 2 nodes. I think it's 2 nodes, 3 leaves. And that's an Etsy seller that I bought from before. Anna, as a matter of fact, is her name as well. Okay, so here are my new plant babies. Check it out. Check it out. This one is a Wayeti Laurie Lynn. Now, someone shared a cutting with me a while back, and it was like a 1 leaf, 2 leaf, maybe. I don't even think it was 2 leaves. 1 leaf cutting, extra cutting that came with an order. And I was like so excited because it had all the pretty color, variegation. And I placed it in, I don't know if it's still in Stratum or if it's in Pond, but the other day I squealed with delight, let me tell you. I was watering upstairs in the plant room, and it's in one of those little cabinets, and those little acrylic cabinets, shoe boxes, I don't know what you call them. Yeah, it was in one of those with the humidity and the warmth up there, and lucky for me, it decided to sprout some new leaves. But I've been so excited to have one, but when I saw this one listed, I had to go for it. And Anna has this in tree fern fiber. I'm going to leave this here because this is new to me. As far as growing anything in it, she said it's great, especially for propagation. So I'm just trying to get to know it more. I did order a bag, by the way, because I want to test it out with the propagations from my collection. I want to try that out and see if it roots faster. You know, I'm just curious. It's very expensive, so I won't be continuing with that, I don't think. This is the other plant, Lacanosa Silver Moon. So you see the similarities. The Croniana there has a rounder leaf, kind of more heart shape, where these are longer, but you know, some people think they're the same. They're the same family, I guess. I don't know. I don't want to get into all those debates because I'm not an expert at all. And I just love Hoya, and I'm just taking in all the information that is out there, and it's a lot. So I am not here to get into debates. Let other people who are more knowledgeable work that out, and just let me know in the end what the results are. This here, it looks like it's reverted. The splash is not. The silver is gone, and there's like a darker splash, I guess. I don't know if that's what you would call that, but I do love this. Me and my silver Hoyas, love them. So when I saw these, the prices were just right, and I think I had like a thank you coupon that was unused, and yeah. So yeah, I'm definitely. And you know what was really cool? She sent this with, it comes from Texas. That's where this Etsy seller lives and works. She has a nursery. So I had the, what do you call it? Phytosanitary certificate included. So I asked her about that. I said, oh, that's interesting. I said, I thought that was just for imports. And she said in each state they have rules and regulations they have to follow as sellers. And that in Texas, the guy comes like once a week and checks her plants out to make sure there's no pests and diseases being spread. So that's comforting. But, being a paranoid plant parent, I still sprayed it down last night with some Captain Jack's dead bug brew or whatever it's called. I sprayed it down last night, both of these, and they're going to be isolated somewhere else. And this one will get a spray down. I just do it. It makes me feel better knowing that my collection is growing and I'm selling to you guys. I don't want to spread anything, unknowingly spread something. So yeah, I don't want to be lazy about it. It's one thing when I was just collecting, but because now I'm starting to propagate and share with you guys, I don't want to send something out of here. And believe me, everything before it goes out is sprayed down. Yeah, so it was interesting. But yeah, I've ordered from her before. Her Etsy site only shows a couple of things, so I want to try to see if there's a way to directly order from her. I'm sure there's more stuff to be sold there. So I'll have to ask her that question. But yeah, so these are the babies. There are two more babies I got. However, I'm not familiar with this seller yet, and they're still in isolation. I'm going to give them some time and see how they do. If they do well, I'll be presenting them to you. But right now they're isolated, and we'll see how that works out. I'll share that with you at that time when I decide to bring them closer to everyone else. And yeah, I'll put the link again right up top for you to come and join me on my PalmStreet shop, Mo Plant Therapy. I'll put the link in the comments and the description of the video so that you can come along, join me. You can just look, see what I have there. Get familiar with the PalmStreet app. It seems intimidating to some people, but it really isn't that hard to use. So, check it out. It served me well. I've been a buyer first, and then after Jackie, Latina Plant, she's on there as well. After she jumped on board and tested it out, and she was like, Mona, you got to do this. So I have no regrets. It's been great. Surprisingly, I've sold a few plants and I'm like, wow, this is pretty cool. So it's exciting, new venture. So if you're interested, please join me there.